Howdy folks, Brett here. If you need the Microsoft Office suite of apps built into Microsoft 365 for your business, school, or personal use, the cost can be expensive. Plans that used to start at around $70 per year have had a huge price increase recently and are now at least around $100 per year. Thankfully, there are ways to use the most popular apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint at no cost to you. So I'll show you the various ways to use Microsoft Office for free. The first of 6 ways is to use Office on the web. It's 100% completely free and can be used in your favorite web browser. Included with Office on the web is Microsoft Word. For working with spreadsheets, there's Excel. And for presentations, there is PowerPoint. Also included is OneNote, Outlook, Sway, which is their Canva alternative, and a few others. When you open Office on the web, you'll see the most popular web apps along the left. Clicking on apps will show you the others available. When you select Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, you'll see the templates or themes here along the top, along with a link to get additional themes or templates. Or to start from scratch, using Word as an example, you can select New Blank Document. The web apps for Office only offer the basic features when compared to the desktop version, but for most people that won't be a problem. At the top you'll see the familiar ribbon to edit your document. I do want to point something out. When you go to File here in the upper left and select Save As, this will save your document online to Microsoft's cloud storage service, OneDrive. If you'd prefer to save it to your computer, select Download a Copy. Here's what Microsoft Excel looks like on the web, and here's PowerPoint with the templates here on the right. The Office on the web apps, because they are browser-based, can be used with any operating system, including Windows, Mac, Linux, and can even be used on Chromebooks. We'll now go through the remaining 5 of these more quickly. If you're a student or teacher, you may be able to get Office 365 Education for free. The great thing is, this is not a trial. You'll get access to the entire Office suite, including Microsoft Teams with all the features included, as long as you're enrolled at a qualified grade school, college, or university. Not every school participates. If you do know that your school is enrolled with Office 365 Education and you get denied access, contact your institution's IT department to allow access. If you have an iOS or Android device, you can get the Microsoft 365 Copilot app for free to view, create, and edit Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents all in one app. Advanced features, including AI features, will require a paid account. You can install the Microsoft 365 Copilot app for Android from the Google Play Store. And for the iPhone or iPad, it's available from the Apple App Store. Another way to get Microsoft Office for free is to find a friend, roommate, or family member with a Microsoft 365 family plan, which allows for up to 6 users, and ask them nicely to add yourself to their account. You'll be able to get full access to all the apps on any device with OneDrive storage up to 1 terabyte. To do this, the owner will need to add you on the Microsoft account sharing webpage, and then you'll receive an invitation link. If you're in the market for a new computer, you can sometimes get 1 year of Microsoft 365 Personal included for free. It's not much, but at least you're saving around $100 that first year. I've mostly seen these deals with new laptops, so I'll put a few we recommend in the description of this video with various price points. If you're someone that only needs temporary access to the fully featured version of Office apps, or you just want to kick the tires before buying an annual plan, you can get a 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family for free. In addition, Microsoft also offers Microsoft 365 for Business, a 1-month free trial. Taking advantage of both offers could net you 2 months of Microsoft Office for free. To sign up for either trial, you will need to enter your credit card information. If you don't want to use it after the 30-day trial, make sure you cancel to avoid getting charged. If none of those methods work for you, or you just want to get out of Microsoft's ecosystem, we released a video with free alternatives to Microsoft Office that might work better for you. The link to that video will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description. If this video was useful for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Do let us know in the comments what method you plan to use to get Microsoft Office for free. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe and hit the bell to not miss out on our latest free software videos and other stuff here on Pop Gumbo.